Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today is another fun video because today we're going to do another modification on the BMW. Well, you might think, well, what's going to be? But if you read the title, you already know it. I'm going to install dynamic blinkers on the car and they are going to look pretty nice. You know, if I believe what's on the pictures and the videos I saw. Yeah, it's going to be a cool modification, nothing super interesting, but still a cool touch. So yeah, these are getting on the car. These will change the normal ones, and they will actually look a little bit like Audi blinkers, and they go from the inside to the outside. And they also gave me, which is very kind of them, a pry tool, because I've heard people breaking the glass their mirrors while doing it, so yeah, I'm not really looking forward to the install itself, but hey, if I don't install them it would be a waste of money. I know I can get glasses pretty cheap for the mirror, but I would prefer to not break them. So yeah, let's get to the car. So here we are at the car, and as you can see, I mean, here you see those standard white blinkers, nothing special on them, the standard look. And the black will suit the black mirror cap way better. But the only thing that I actually asking myself is, I have my car coded, so when I unlock the car they just keep burning, and I ask myself, if I install these, will they also burn like that, or will they go the whole time? So actually I'm pretty curious how that's going to work out. But anyway, one of the first things that you gotta do on both mirrors is put the ignition on and actually put the glass all the way to the front so you can get better on it. That's maximum. Now switch to the other sides. Okay, so yeah, that's that. First step has been done. And now I have to, of course, get my trusty case with all my tools in, because without tools I wouldn't be able to do anything on the car. Okay, so now I'm going to try to take off the glass. I also got a towel to put the glass on between the door so it doesn't, you know, scuff the door. I don't like this. I don't like doing this at all, but hey, let's try. Oh yes, I got it off finally. Oh man, my hands were shaking. It was terrible. Oh, it was so terrible. I was really thinking that I was breaking it, but it's already one glass I didn't break. Hooray. Oh man, I'm not a big fan of this, not at all. Oh, this is a shit job. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. Now we have to get out these screws, remove the mirror cap, and then remove some screws in the back also. But I hope I have the right, tools to get these out, but I think I have. Okay. So I removed all these screws here, as you can see. They are laying down here. And I also removed this screw here, and now this all here is very wobbly, and now it's just taking out the blinker, putting the new one in, and then I'm going to test it if it works. I hope it does. We'll see. So yeah, I just took out the blinker. It's very easy to do, and now I just have to untap this, and then I can tap the new one in. So yeah, pretty easy actually. So we got the old blinker out. This is the new blinker, all style black. First we're going to test out if it works, because otherwise I'm not going to open the other mirror, and then I'm just going to put in the stock one back in. Let's see, a moment of truth. Put on the blinkers, and oh yes, it's working like a charm. So you can see that's the old style, and that is the new style. Yeah, looks way much better if you ask me. Okay, so everything worked like it should. Now let's put this mirror back in together, which shouldn't be as stressful as taking that one apart. And now we have to do that one, but I'm not going to film that because it's exactly the same process as this one. But yeah, we're getting there. So we put the mirror back together, and this is what we all got now, an all black mirror which looks very, very good. This is how it looks stock. And now the big test, which I asked myself, if I unlock the car, will they both, oh yeah, they just both turn solid orange. Okay, that's nice, so that coating hasn't gone lost. And now let's see. So this is how it normally blinks, and this is how it now blinks. So yeah, I'm happy with it. So the one blinker is installed. I'm going to end the video here because the installation of that one is identical, and you won't see anything new. It's just me screwing around, because getting that mirror in one piece again was actually harder than I thought. So yeah, I'm gonna show just a clip when they're both installed. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. See you back soon. Bye. So it's installed on both mirrors now. It works great, but we suffered some damage. I broke the glass, so yeah, I threw that away actually already. I'm just gonna drive a few days without, somewhere here in the trash can. Yeah, watch out for breaking your mirror glass, as you can see.